How's it going, YouTube? I wanted to make a video. I wanted to talk about Jeray racing. We were on live the other day with John Wilbur, and I realized, I've been watching their channel, but I realized that their setup on the Duster is pretty close to what the setup is going to be on Old Red. So I told Jeray Racing that I'd run them on motor since they don't have a power adder. We'll run them on motor. So this is the official call out video for Jeray Racing for Old Red at No Name Nationals. And I got the 408 with the Edelbrock intake, the Scat rotating assembly, and the Indy MAX heads for the 408. So they're running, I think they said somewhere around high 11s. I'm not sure what the truck will run. It's probably 3,500 pounds, 550 horse, give or take. So it should be a good run. And I got that race, and then I'm racing Jeff from Two Hacks Garage and Larry T-Bird. And we'll start figuring out some more call outs, because I'm not coming to No Name Nationals sit there and do nothing. I want to race. If I'm building something to race, I'm coming there to race. Alright, well, Jeray Racing, if you want to put some money on it or not, that's up to you. I like to just race to have fun. And just remind you that there's an extra $100 in it for anybody that can beat me. From Ruben from Muscle Car Garage. So, and Ruben said he'd honor as many call outs as was given. So y'all can see how much money you can try and get out of Ruben. Good luck, because this truck ain't gonna be no slouch. Alright, later guys.